So this is a mother and a daughter, and they are just tickled. So tell me, what has today been like for you guys?
Awesome.
Lovely.
You say lovely. So what
Yeah.
did you guys do today?
Went out to eat.
Oh, really? What did you eat?
Pancakes.
Wow. And so, why do you guys look so much alike?
That's
Go to
my
mommy and daughter.
yeah, that's my daughter.
Oh, that's your daughter?
My first and only daughter.
Is that right?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
And I'm proud.
You are? So, how old are you?
18.
And so you're getting ready to go to what college?
BGSU. Bowling Green State.
Bowling Green. And a possible major for you is
Criminal Justice.
criminal justice. Well, you know what? That is something for a mom to be proud of. Congratulations. And you are the class of
2021.
2021. That is awesome. Congratulations. Mom,
Yes.
you are
yes,
most
yes.
certainly proud, aren't you?
I am. She's gonna make me broke, but I thank God.
She's like, Mom, I'm not gonna make you broke. She said you're gonna have a cash deficiency, but you won't be broke. But hey
Yeah.
guys, thank you so much for taking out the time. Oh, before I dare not ask you if there's anything you would like to say. You know, you guys really look beautiful.
Oh, makeup done by Miss Rita K. Boston herself.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. But you guys, you have really, really nice skin tones and things of that nature. You guys have beautiful, beautiful eyes. You look like a model.
Thank you.
You should be a model also.
Thank you.
You really do. Yep. Look at your mom. Tell your mom thank you. She gave you the genes that you have.
Thank you, daughter.
You're welcome. Both of you. Okay, guys, have an absolutely fabulous day because you guys are fabulous. Love you both.
Love you.